As we all are well aware of our Hindu names of days in a week, that is, Ravivar is Sunday, Somvar is Monday, Mangalvar is Tuesday, Budhvar is Wednesday, Guruvar is Thursday, Shukravar is Friday, and Shanivar is Saturday. But have you ever wondered why these names are in such a unique and specific order in the Hindu calendar? Let's know more about it in detail. In Hindu astrology, there are 9 main celestial bodies. They are known as Ravi, indicating the sun, Som for moon, Mangal for Mars, Budh for Mercury, Guru for Jupiter, Shukra for Venus, and Shani for Saturn. The remaining 2, Rahu and Ketu, indicating the ascending and descending lunar nodes, respectively. They are considered as shadow planets and hence are not considered directly when it comes to the name of days. Let's write these 7 celestial bodies in descending order based on their distance from our planet Earth. The farthest would be the first one, that is Shani, Guru, Mangal, Ravi, Shukra, Buddha, and Som. In Hindu astrology, an hour of time is pronounced as hora. It is possible that the word hour came from the word hora. Coming back to our celestial bodies, each celestial body has one hora dedicated to it, and these horas are allotted in the same specific order as it was just mentioned. That is, first hora is dedicated to Shani, second to Guru, third to Mangal, fourth to Ravi, fifth to Shukra, sixth to Budh, and seventh to Som. This one cycle is called Hora Chakra or Hora cycle. We know that a day has 24 hours. 3 complete Hora cycles can be fit in one day, and then the left 3 Horas would be dedicated to the first 3 celestial bodies of the next cycle. The Hora cycle continues next day from where it was left, and the day is named after the celestial body to which the first Hora of the day is dedicated. Let's assume that today is Shanivar, which means the first Hora of today was dedicated to Shani. Starting from Shani, when we will complete 24 hours, the next Hora will be dedicated to Ravi, and after that it will be for Som. Interesting, isn't it? Try it yourself, pause the video and start calculating from today. To know world's most mysterious stories, please subscribe our channel Chitrakatha and don't forget to like, comment and share.